So to bring the tables to my Power BI environment quickly, Power BI desktop quickly, before that I need to connect to Power Query, right? So I can connect to Power Query through transform data or else get data. Okay, let me go to the recent sources. Okay, on recent sources, my data is on Amazon data for India. Let me bring orders table quickly. Yes. Then after, let me go to the recent sources again. Let me bring some tables from employee department table. Let me bring employee table quickly. Just click on transform data, guys. Now if I click on transform data, I'm going to be land on Power Query software, right? Right, let me go to the Power Query software now. Okay guys, so I'm on Power Query software. I have orders table and employee table, right? Orders table and employee table. So where are the date related columns? Here. Okay, based upon date related column. So how can we filter the data? So for that, for example, let me extract year column from this order date. How can I extract year column from this order date, guys? So for example, client want to see only year wise quantities, year wise total sales amount, year wise total profits he want to see. So for that we don't have year column in this table, right? We need to extract that. So first of all, this is in Power BI. How many data types we have, guys? 3 data types, right? What are those? Number data type, text data type, date data type. Okay, this is the date type, date data type, right? In this column, date related information stored. So that is why it is a date data type. Okay. So from date data type column, I need to extract year. I want to see the result in a separate column. If I need the result in a separate column, I need to go to add column tab, right? Go to add column tab. So this column is related to which data type? Date data type, right? Okay. So for that, okay guys, here. If the selected column is date and time related, then this is the relevant section to do the modifications. If the selected column is number data type, this is the relevant section to go. If the selected column is text data type, it is the relevant column to go, right? So this time this belongs to this section, right? Okay, as it is date data type. From date and time means the columns which are related to date and time, then we have to go to this section. If the selected column are related to number data type, this is the relevant section, guys. If the selected column is text related data type, this is the relevant section. Am I clear, guys, here? Okay then. Now go to this from date section. Under that we have date, just extract date. Sorry, year. Year got extracted here, right? Then after. So I want to filter the data. Let me duplicate this table quickly, guys. How can I duplicate it? Right click on that, just click on duplicate. Okay, right. So this is the order table. Okay, I want to see the data for only 2014, guys. I want to filter the data for only 1 year, that is 2014, and that should be a basic filtering, guys. Okay, how can I do that? Go to the tier column. Okay, go to the expand option under the tier column. Here what are these? Countable values. Here are countable values. So this is called what, guys? In filtering we have 2 types of filters in Power Query: basic filtering and advanced filtering, right? So let me go with basic filtering, guys. Unselect all. Just go with 2014. Just click on OK. Now I can see only what, guys? 2014 data. Is it clear? Okay. So then after, it is what, guys? Basic filtering, right? Let me do this, guys. This is a basic filtering. Orders for only 2014, and that is a basic filtering. Is it clear, guys? Perfect. Then after, so after this, let me duplicate this table one more time. Orders table. I am duplicating it. Okay. Right. So here I want to check advanced filtering, guys. Order stable advanced filtering. Okay, for that what I have to do? Just go here, guys. Advanced filtering. So basic filtering is what, guys? Show the data for any one date, orders date from order date. You can take any one date or else you can take any one year like that. Okay, any one date or within brackets from orders table. If you want to choose any one date, you can choose also from directly order date without extracting here. Okay, then after, what is this advanced filter, guys? Here show the orders data between 2011 to 2013 from orders table. Okay, so between 2011 to 2013 there are many days, right? Can we select them manually? No, because of there are many values. 2011 to 13 means how many years? 3 years. 11, 12, 13. Each year contains 365 days. How many days we need to select? Approximately 900 plus. Okay, so that is a time taking process, right? We can't do that. So for that we have to go with what, guys? Advanced filtering options. So how can we do that, guys? Advanced filtering options. Go to the Power Query. In Power Query, go to the order date. Okay, in order date, go to the expand option. Under that expand option, can I go with this basic filtering now? No, go with advanced filters, guys. Data filters. Okay, what is the option I have here? Between, right? Between 2 years. Just click on between. Okay, is after or equal to? Between two dates means 1st January 2011 to 31st December 2013. Is after means what, guys? Here is after equal to means which date that is? So between means between two dates, right? What are those two dates? 1st January 2011 to 31st December 2013. Here what is that? Is after or equal to means which date I have to take? Minimum date. What is the minimum date? 1st January 2011. Okay, so for that, go here, guys. Go to the calendar icon. Okay, go to this means here. Okay, the last one are year 2000, right? 2011. Then after the next this for previous, guys, month. This is for month, guys. This is per year. This is per month. If you go here, it will show previous year. If you go here, it will show previous month. So come to the January month. Is it clear, guys? Is after means 1st January, minimum date. Is before or equal to means maximum date. Before which date? 31st December 2013. Go to calendar icon. Okay, come to 2013. Right. Go to the December month. Next month. December month. 31st. Is it clear, guys? And operator I have to use. These two conditions must be satisfied. So that is why I have to take and operator between them. Just click on OK, guys. So that 2 years data is going to be selected like this. Okay. This is advanced filtering, right? Advanced filtering, and then here advanced 2011 to what is this, guys? 2013. Okay, for example, I can go to this year column and I can choose from year itself also. Okay, so I don't have 2011 data in this data table, so that is why it is not showing here. If there is a 2011 data, that will show obviously. So in orders table, do we have 2011 data? No. Here we don't have 2011 data. Go here, guys. Go to the year column. The data is from which year? 2012 only. So that is why it is showing for 2012 and 13. Am I clear, guys, here? So I can choose 2 years data like this also. But if there is no year column, how can you select the data which is between two dates? To understand that, I told you this advanced filtering option. Is it clear, guys? Perfect. Okay. So basic filtering, advanced filtering completed. Right, guys? So what is the purpose of this filtering, guys? Unwanted rows can be removed using filters. Unwanted rows can be removed using filters means For example, client is interested in only East region data. We don't want other regions. Other than East, what are the other regions? West, North, South. We are removing them, right? By filtering. Filtering the data for East region means what? We are selecting only East region data. We are removing all other regions data. So what is the purpose of filters, guys? Unwanted rows can be removed. Here I selected the data for only these years. For the remaining years, the data got removed. Here I selected the data for only 2012. For the remaining years, data got removed. Is it clear? Yes. So by using filters, what is happening? Unwanted rows are going to be removed. Online, guys, am I clear?